Hello, dear students. Hope that you all would be good. Students, let's start in the name of God, which is most merciful and gracious. Students, in today's class, I have brought some words for you which are same in the meaning, but we use these words formally and informally. So let's see how can we use these verbs as an informal word and as a formal word. स्टूडेंट्स आज की क्लास में हमारे पास कुछ वर्ड्स हैं जो कि रस्मी और गैर रस्मी तौर पर बोले जाते हैं। आइए देखते हैं कि इन वर्ड्स को जब हम रस्मी तौर पर बोलते हैं तो कौन से वर्ड्स यूज़ किए जाते हैं और जब हम गैर रस्मी तौर पर बोलते हैं तो कौन से वर्ड यूज़ किए जाते हैं। इंग्लिश में हम इनको इनफॉर्मल और फॉर्मल वे कहते हैं। आइए देखते हैं कि इनके इनफॉर्मल और फॉर्मल वे में कैसे इस्तेमाल की जाती हैं वर्ड्स। Students, as I informed you in the intro that there are two ways. Number one, informal. Number two, formal. So, first of all, I will call the informal way. Then the second, I will call the formal way. So, the first word which I have is choose. For choose, you may use select in the formal way. Look for. For look for, you may use search in the formal way. May be. For maybe, you may use perhaps. Say no. For say no, you may use reject in the formal way. Buy. For buy, you may use purchase in the formal way. I think. For I think, you may use in my opinion in the formal way. To sum up. For to sum up, you may use in conclusion in the formal way. In the end. For in the end, you may use finally in a formal way. But. For but, you may use however. Point out. For point out, you may use indicate. Rich. For rich, you may use wealthy. Break down. For break down, you may use collapse. Childish. For childish, you may use infantile. Live. For live, you may use reside. Job. For job, you may use occupation. Go up. For go up, you may use increase. Stand for. For stand for, you may use represent. Leave out. For leave out, you may use omit. Think about. For think about, you may use consider. Seem. For seem, you may use appear. Help. For help, you may use assist. Start. For start, you may use commence. Mad. For mad, you may use insane. Tough. For tough, you may use difficult. Book. For book, you may use reserve. Sorry. For sorry, you may use apologize. Tell. For tell, you may use inform. Need. For need, you may use require. Ask. For ask, you may use request. Check. For check, you may use verify. Get. For get, you may use receive. So, for so, you may use therefore. Students, it was all about the words which are same in the meaning, but their English is different. So these are used formally and informally. So I hope that these words will increase your knowledge, and when you speak English, you will feel better than before. स्टूडेंट्स, ये थे तमाम वो अल्फाज जो कि रस्मी और गैर रस्मी तौर पर बोले जाते हैं। इनकी मायने सेम हैं लेकिन इंग्लिश में ये मुख्तलिफ हैं। उम्मीद करता हूँ कि ये तमाम अल्फाज आपकी इंग्लिश के इल्म में मज़ीद इजाफ़ा करेंगे और इंग्लिश बोलते हुए आप पहले से बेहतर महसूस करेंगे। इसी के साथ मुझे दीजिए इजाज़त। मिलते हैं एक नई वीडियो के साथ। तब तक अपना और अपने प्यारों का बहुत सारा ख्याल रखिएगा। गुड बाय एंड गॉड ब्लेस यू।